Happy April 1st, everyone. The key is always the easiest way to open up your lock. Always try to use a key on locks that are in use. You never want to pick a lock that you do not own or one that you rely on. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you'll have a great day. Thank you so much.